Welcome, folks. Get ready for some serious inspiration because today we're diving deep into the world of Elon Musk. You know, the genius behind SpaceX, Tesla, and so much more. We're about to unveil the 15 books that Elon Musk swears by, the ones that have shaped his incredible journey. So buckle up because this is going to be a game changer. 1. The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. First up, we've got The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. It's a sci-fi classic that Elon read as a teenager in South Africa. This book is an absolute blast, blending humor and science fiction. Picture this. Earth is about to be demolished to make way for a galactic freeway. Our hero, Arthur Dent, gets rescued by his buddy Ford Prefect, who happens to be an alien. It's a wild ride through the cosmos, and Musk even sneaked an Easter egg into space with "Don't Panic" displayed on his Roadster's dashboard. 2. Structures or Why Things Don't Fall Down by J. E. Gordon. Now, Musk is a coding guru, but he had to become a rocket scientist too. He recommended Structures as a great primer for understanding the nuts and bolts of how our world is built. Ever wondered why skyscrapers stand tall and bridges don't crumble? This book's got the answers. It's all about engineering and architecture, a must-read if you want to decode the world around you. 3. Benjamin Franklin, An American Life by Walter Isaacson. Here's a book that Musk holds in high regard. Benjamin Franklin, one of his personal heroes, went from a runaway kid to dining with kings. He was an inventor, diplomat, and founding father of the United States. In Musk's own words, Franklin is pretty awesome, and this book paints a vivid picture of his incredible journey. 4. Superintelligence, Paths, Dangers, Strategies by Nick Bostrom. Now let's talk about Musk's stance on artificial intelligence, or, as he once put it, summoning the demon. Superintelligence delves deep into the impact of technology on humanity, covering the next few decades and beyond. If you're serious about understanding the AI revolution and why we need to tread carefully, this book is a must-read. 5. Our Final Invention by James Barrett. Continuing on the AI trend, Musk endorsed Our Final Invention via Twitter. This book explores the possibility of humanity coexisting with superintelligent AI. Musk warns us that AI doesn't have to be evil to pose a threat. If AI has a goal and we're in its way, well, it might just destroy us without a second thought. 6. Ignition, An Informal History of Liquid Rocket Propellants by John D. Clark. Now, if you're not a chemistry or rocket enthusiast, you might want to skip this one. Ignition was critical for Musk's rocket journey as it delves into the science behind rocket fuel. But hey, if chemistry gets your engines roaring, give it a go. 7. The Foundation Trilogy by Isaac Asimov. Musk's favorite reads growing up? The Foundation Trilogy. These books are pure gold for science fiction lovers. Picture a massive galactic empire falling apart, a concept Musk finds incredibly intriguing. As we inch closer to settling other planets, this trilogy puts our future into perspective. 8. Life 3.0, Being Human in the Age of Artificial Intelligence by Max Tegmark. Back to AI, folks. Life 3.0 takes a more positive approach, exploring how AI can enhance humanity. It tackles questions about automation, career advice, and AI's role in our future. It's a must-read for anyone curious about the brighter side of AI. 9. The Lord of the Rings by J.R.R. Tolkien. Now let's get nerdy. Elon Musk was once a nerdy loner kid, just like many of us. He found solace in Tolkien's world, where heroes felt a duty to save the world. You probably know this epic story, but did you know Amazon's working on a massive TV series set in Middle-earth? Get ready for more Tolkien magic. 10. 0 to 1, Notes on Startups or How to Build the Future by Peter Thiel. Speaking of Musk's PayPal days, 0 to 1 is a phenomenal read. It's all about startups being the change agents for the world. Musk and Thiel, both PayPal alumni, have a deep respect for each other. Thiel's insights on entrepreneurship are pure gold, and you need to check out his story too. 11. The Moon is a Harsh Mistress by Robert Heinlein. Ever wondered why we don't have a moon colony yet? The Moon is a Harsh Mistress paints a dystopian future where some humans are exiled to the moon. They create a libertarian society and things get interesting. It's another fantastic sci-fi pick recommended by Musk himself. 12. Merchants of Doubt by Naomi Oreskes and Eric M. Conway. This one's a real eye-opener. It reveals how companies use PR to hide the harm they're causing to the planet and its people. From tobacco to global warming, this book uncovers how scientists, politicians, and industries worked together to mislead the public. Musk gave it a shout-out on Twitter in 2013. 13. Einstein, His Life and Universe by Walter Isaacson. Now, if you're fascinated by the rebels and nonconformists who changed the world, this one's for you. Einstein, His Life and Universe takes you on a journey from a frustrated patent officer to a Nobel Prize winner. Musk's fondness for Isaacson's biographies is well-deserved, and this book will give you a new perspective on the man behind the genius. 14. Howard Hughes, His Life and Madness by Donald L. Bartlett and James B. Steele. Ever heard of Howard Hughes? He was a legend in his own right, fascinating the world during his lifetime. His story is a rollercoaster of money, fame, and success beyond belief. But it's also a cautionary tale, and Musk recommends learning about Hughes to understand the price of such opulence. 15. The Culture Series by Ian M. Banks. Last but not least, we've got an entire series that inspired Elon Musk. If you're into sci-fi and want a taste of the future, the Culture Series is where it's at. Musk once described himself as a utopian anarchist, and these books align perfectly with his vision. Start with The Player of Games to dive into this epic series. Bonus book: Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and the Quest for a Fantastic Future by Ashley Vance. For those of you who've stuck around till the end, thank you. We've got a bonus book for you. If you're truly inspired by Musk, this biography is a must-read. It offers an intimate look into Musk's life from his childhood to his world-changing ventures. It's a glimpse into the mind of a modern-day visionary. So, which of these books has piqued your interest the most? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if you're as passionate about Musk's work as we are, maybe we'll see you at the future Mars party. Thanks for being part of our community, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.